Hello everyone, this is Jason from China. Today I will start to share some basic knowledge about modified nylon. I hope interested friends can share and discuss together. There are some shortcomings also. Welcome professional friends to correct, thank you. Because my personal purpose is enjoy sharing. Let's look at the historical development and the types of nylon. As we all know, the history of nylon 66 began in 1935 by American scientist William Human Carruthers and his research team successfully developed. On May 15, 1940, the first nylon stockings in history were listed for sale in New York and were loved and bought spree by women. This invention and the birth of nylon socks actually reflects the fact that nylon plastics occupied most of the application market in spin industry and continue up to now. Nylon 6 was invented in 1938 by P. Slug of the German IG Farben company and was first industrialized by the company in 1943. In 1952, the United States company Fiberfield first began to develop long glass fiber reinforced nylon PA6 and achieved industrial production in 1956. The extrusion coating method is used, similar to the cable coating method. Today, glass fiber reinforced nylon is also the most widely used method for nylon compounding. Till today, nylon has developed into a large family. These are our nylon modification material selection source, according to the different customer requirements. And then the nylon compoundings, after research and development, meet the performance requirement for the industrial customers. Different types of nylon also have different properties, which also determine their application market. Next time, we will look at the different structure of nylon from the chemical molecular structure. Below are some parameters of different types of nylon for your reference. This is Jason, a layman who studied nylon. Thank you. See you later.